Hello, today I have a 2022 Ram 4500 6.7 liter turbo diesel engine. I have a code p2048 and p2482, and let me show you here before I go down there. Oh, the codes that I have. So this one, the 2048 b2048, which is the reductant injection valve, bank 1 unit 1, which is this one right here, number 8, and here is the picture for it, and there is the part number if you need it. This one right here. And the second one, a p2482, which is the exhaust gas temperature sensor, bank 1 sensor 5. And here is the one, number 5, and here is the sensor and the part number right there if you need it also. And let me show you what I found down here. Let me show you first the diesel exhaust fluid injector, the p2048. Is this one right here, and you can tell, you can see the plug and see the wire. So the problem is I'm going to fix the wire. The second one, which is the p2482 exhaust temperature sensor number 5, exact same problem you can see is this one right there. Let me go a little bit further so you can see this one, number 5 right here, like I showed you in the picture, and it's also cut, and here is the plug. So it's also wiring problem. This is what I'm going to fix right now, and that'll be it. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe for more videos. If you have any questions, just comment below.